Today I'm going to be installing a USB and aux OEM part for a Kia Picanto 2014. It's quite simple. It's got one plug at the back and one plug for the cigarette lighter, and this is going to be replacing my Bluetooth FM transmitter. All you're going to need for this install is a screwdriver, and I'll take you over to the car now to show you how to install it. Okay, so we're going to start by removing the gear knob. So when I was trying to find out how to do this, I couldn't actually find anywhere on how to remove this center console bit, but it's actually quite easy. You just have to grab here and pull up, and it removes it from these clips, and then you can just pull it towards you. But be careful, there is a cable connected to it at the back for the cigarette lighter. So when I first decided to have a look, I realised there was this plug, and I only have the basic Kia, which obviously doesn't come with the aux and USB. And then I decided to do a bit of research, and I realised that this might go to the bit which I ordered. So I found the bit on eBay. It cost me £22 plus like £3 for packaging and postage, which is a little expensive, but I thought might as well give it a go, see if it works, and then I can let other people know. So if you would want one, I mean, I guess you could phone Kia and see if you could order them, or just have a look on eBay. And if you have a 2011 or onwards Kia, you will want, or Kia Picanto, you'll want the one with the single plug at the back for the aux and USB. So now we obviously disconnected the cigarette lighter from here. We just take our screwdriver and we remove the two screws on either side. Take that and put it to one side. And take the other one to put it one side. Now it is as easy as just pushing these three down, and the old bit pulls out. Now we take our new one and we do the reverse. We hook these two bottom bits in first, and then click these three tabs back in. We grab our screws from earlier and we put them back in. Take the other screw and put it in on the other side. So now these are connected and it looks brand new. So I originally used to pop this little thing out and run my USB in, which I wired in to have a USB behind here, which I'll show you in a second. But now obviously I don't need that anymore, so I'm just going to pop that back in. Now we take the original wire that went to our cigarette lighter and plug that back in. and we take the new clip, and it only goes in one way, and we plug. I'm going to move the seat back to make it a bit easier, and we plug that in, and you just want to make sure you have a click. Now both of these are back in, we just line it back up, put the gear stick back through the cover, and we just slide everything back into place and down, making sure these clips at the top go on the inside, and just click everything back down. Take our gear knob, put it back on, make it straight, Okay, so now we're going to test it. Take our aux cable, plug it in down here. Get our phone out. Let's go onto YouTube, let's get some royalty-free music. Okay, turn our radio on, go down to media, comes up with aux, which it never used to. And we now have an aux on our radio. And as you can see, when I plug it out, it says no aux. Plug it back in, aux comes back up here. And this is the same with USB, but unfortunately USB won't work with Android. It only works with Apple, but it will charge my phone. So I'm just going to grab the camera and show you what my old option used to be. So obviously now we've replaced the blank with a nice aux and USB. Originally I had to use a little FM transmitter. As you can see up there, the little Bluetooth sign, and I didn't want that to be in the cigarette lighter at the front because I thought it was a bit ugly. So I installed a USB and a cigarette lighter adapter up here. If you'd like a video on how to install that, I can happily show you. It's just a P-back switch off one of the fuses. But that was my old option, which I now don't need. But now I have AUX in my Kia Picanto 2014 basic model. I will try and leave a link to where I bought this or something similar. But I think I got quite lucky ordering that one on eBay. You might have to keep your eyes open and get one as soon as you see it.